Hi guys, Kelsey here for Wolf Industries with an exciting new video focusing on our options book. We're going to call out all of our upgrades and customizations that you can do in your Wolf home, starting with our living room in a Model I. Now this house is kind of being moved into, so you're going to see some furniture that isn't normally in the video, but we're going to focus on their upgrade choices, starting with our trim. The standard trim in any Wolf house is MDF, painted the same as your wall color, and the material is MDF. This one upgraded to a pine trim, and it is the detailed trim, meaning at the top and the bottom of your windows and doors, you're gonna have some accents, making for a nice little windowsill. And then whatever you choose is gonna not only follow your windows and doors, but your lower trim as well. Now, if we head up to the ceiling, we've got our accent beam. In our two-piece units, you will have some sort of accent beam where the two pieces come together. And we want to make it look like as if the house was actually built on site. So we're gonna wrap that beam in what you see here, which is our stained shiplap, to call it out as an accent beam. It's a nice conversation piece. The upgrade version on that would be if you covered that beam in drywall and it was painted the same as the wall color. Now, look at this beautiful Model I kitchen and this large island that we have. We not only have the island for seating, but we've got dining room as well, so plenty of room for seating in this house. The island in this unit is standard. In some of the other units, like the J and the L, the island is gonna be an upgrade. But in this one, it is standard. And we have our L-shaped kitchen, which is also standard somewhat, not with all the cabinet layout here, but the single units have their own version of an L-shaped kitchen. So this would be our Model I L-shaped kitchen with an island. And they chose the hickory cabinets, which are beautiful, but they are being discontinued. So don't get your heart set on this particular pattern of wood that you see on the hickory. We have 3 upgrade options of wood design. There's a light, a medium, and a dark wood that you're gonna love when you see in our showroom. So those will be our upgrade options going forward, but still in the same layout that you see here. And the cool thing about those versions, the new versions of wood feature that we're gonna have, is that they not only go 30, but they're gonna go 36 if you like. So adding 6 inches to your upper cabinets give you extra storage. It fills that upper space and just makes everything feel taller and elongated, and it looks super cool. They also did crown molding on this one, which can be done in any home. You don't have to upgrade the cabinets to get crown molding. And then if we take a look at the appliance package, this would be the standard appliance package if you added it on. So the standard price on the Model I does not include appliances because some people already have their own that they're gonna bring with them and install after inspection, or they just don't like stainless steel combined with some black. So you can do 2 things. You can either install your own after inspection. We will prep the spaces for you, meaning they have everything you need to simply install, or you purchase Wolf appliances. And we've got our micro hood combo, the range, your dishwasher, your fridge, and then around the corner you'd have your washer and dryer in your side utility room. If we take a look at our countertops, this is one of our standard quartz. So we'll have standard options along with upgraded quartz options. They did an upgrade undermount sink. Standard would just be the drop-in that has the rim around it. And let's take a look at our drywall and our backsplash. In a Wolf home, your drywall is smooth. There's no texture on it, and you're gonna wanna protect that in your kitchen. So you can do what they did here, which is 6-inch that matches your countertop, but you will have that little lip, or you could do a 6-inch tile or a full height tile to really protect your backsplash. And then to make it kind of mood lighting, we've got under cabinet lights that they've added, and they have 3 color tones so that the light that you're using for your light bulbs and the rest of your house can match your under cabinet light. Now, out this way, this would be our utility room. There's washer and dryer back there. This is water heater closet and plenty of room for all of your cleaning equipment. And then if we head out this way, this would be a standard second entry. It could be your front door depending on how you're placing this house on your property. but they've added another 8x10 covered deck, which we're going to do an outside loop to show you all of the cool options that they have outside as well. So we're gonna head over this way and head down the hall to the bedrooms where we're gonna call out features down there. Okay, so heading down the hall, we're gonna take a look at our bedroom options. And the first one is this beautiful pine door. Standard is gonna be MDF, still 6-panel like you see here, but to match their trim, they went with a pine interior door upgrade, and it is beautiful. On our knobs, the brushed nickel and knob is your standard. There are lever options available and black finishes. And then into what on the floor plan is called an office or a flex space, but can be designated as a third bedroom by adding a closet, which is what they did here. So now this house will be assessed as a 3-bedroom. Into our second bathroom. This one, they added glass shower doors, and they did it as a shower insert. So your standard options in your bathroom are a tub shower or the walk-in shower like you see here, and you would provide your own curtain and rod. Instead, they went with a glass door upgrade. And then that window in the Model I is standard. It adds some nice natural light. It can be added to any of our other models like the Model E or the F. Adding a little 3x1 obscure window just adds more light. You still have your standard fan and venting, but a window in a bathroom is kind of nice. Into the second bedroom, which again has your closet and all of your pine accents and just another nice open space in your bedroom. Into the master. So it's an ensuite, meaning that it's got your bathroom and closet all attached in one space. Walk-in closet is behind this door here. Into a big master bath that has your 2 sinks side by side, lots of cabinet space for each person. Behind the door here, they went with the tub shower, and they also added the glass doors. That window is also standard in your bathroom. Into our big bedroom. Now, what's cool about this is because the space has a couple different layout options, you can choose to do really cool things like the sliding door. The window up above is a 5x1'6" transom window, which gives you an idea of what a queen bed would feel like in this space. So you could do a king, but it might be a little large for this wall, being able to have side tables on it. You could put a bed here. And if this sliding door wasn't here, you'd have a third wall to be able to add your bed. So lots of options, it's a very flexible space. But what's cool about this is when you add the sliding door, you come out to another 8x10 covered deck. So they're gonna have nice access off of their main bedroom to be able to relax, have coffee, and enjoy their view, which we will take a look at in a minute on our second video of our exterior options and upgrades, which concludes this first video of our interior upgrade options. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below.